Well, it's interesting to note that Toronto is one of the 4 North American economic powerhouses that have been identified. And within that region, of course, sits Hamilton. And Hamilton is sort of the hub and the center of an advanced manufacturing cluster. And that cluster contains the automotive as well as the steel industry. So I think it's extremely important to recognize this is probably the only place in Canada that you actually have the confluence of auto and steel and the support of business, industry, and the governments, both the local area governments as well as the federal government. Very important. We have 2 of Canada's largest steelmakers located right in Hamilton. ArcelorMittal Dofasco, and ArcelorMittal is the largest steel company in the world, 120 million tons. And we have U.S. Steel, one of the largest steel companies in North America. And we have 5 major automotive companies with General Motors, Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, and Honda. And these are all located within about 150 kilometers of Hamilton. Within a 500-kilometer region, then we pick up dozens of more assembly and stamping plants of the auto companies. A very close proximity to any steel that needs to transfer between the plants or any other technologies or any other parts. So again, you have a very significant tight cluster. So we have a phenomenal education system that exists within this region. To name the few that are supportive of the auto industry, we talk about University of Ontario Institute of Technology, and they're doing a very important program with General Motors. We have the University of Windsor, as well as the Wattcar program in Waterloo. Now in Hamilton, we have McMaster University. And McMaster has 3 centers today that are focused in the automotive and steel arenas. The Steel Research Center, which basically is a partnership of many steel companies from North America and a few global companies as well. We have the Brockhaus Institute for Material Sciences, and we have Mac Auto, which is an automotive research and technology center. So we're seeing a networking, if you will, of academic capability, which is yielding the type of innovation that can be commercialized to spur economic growth. What's particularly exciting is in the past year, McMaster has focused on starting up an innovation park. It's called the McMaster Innovation Park, and it's a 37-acre redevelopment on a brownfield, which is located very near to the university. And this will bring together the research side that's taking place in the industry, both in the steel and the auto industry, and the businesses themselves. Now, what's really, really interesting is the Federal Materials Laboratory, CanMet, which is currently located in Ottawa, will be relocating to the Innovation Park, bringing 100 of Canada's top researchers in the materials sector into the Hamilton area, again, to support this overall advanced manufacturing cluster.